Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel and happy new year everybody. So you're going to make this black and white beaded choker, and these are the steps you're going to take. You can look on my previous video how I started, and yeah, it's just a matter of counting while the beads, because this black and white, we only have two colors, the black and white colored beads, and this is the simplest beading ever. Any beadwork that has two colors, it's very simple. And the first line, you're going to count beads as shown, the writing on yellow. Yeah, and this is the second line. You're also going to count. You can check on top of the video. There are some writing with the yellow color, and that will help you to count the right beads that is required. So this is the third line. I'm counting on the beads. After putting the beads on the thread like that, then you're going to go in with your needle. You're going to pass again on the opposite direction. You're going to pass through the beads that you put on the thread. On to the fourth line, you're going to count beads the same way, and you go through the same beads with your needle on the opposite direction. Then on the fifth one, you pass the needle and the thread down. Then you count these beads, 5 black, 2 white, 1 black, 2 white, and 5 black. The next one, you're still going to count beads, and this time you're going to count 6 black, 3 white, and another 6 black. Make sure you follow the number of beads that I'm counting. Make sure you count the correct beads. The total number of beads counted in every line should be 15. And therefore, if you count well, you will end up with the same pattern that I have. So make sure you watch the whole video. Don't skip any parts, and if you have any question, you can comment below, or anything that you're not getting, just comment below and I will let you know. I will show you how to do it. So just moving on very fast, I can see the pattern is coming out so well, and let's move on. I hope you're seeing how the pattern is coming out to make. Right now we are making the star shape, and you're just going to repeat the same number. The next one is 2 black, 2 white, 2 black, 3 white, 2 black, 2 white, and 2 black. You just go ahead and pass the needle through them like that, and you move on to the next one. I hope you're getting what I have here, and you're going to make the same pattern as mine. So guys, I know I haven't been posting such videos, and I hope you understand, because it was festive seasons and I was having some moments with my family, and yeah, we are here now in 2025. I'm back. We are going to have much more of this, so keep it here and subscribe if you'd love to learn more on the beadwork and a lot of stuff I do on this channel.